Hi, Bill Peak again with MPC Publishing. I want to take a little time to tell you what we're trying to do today with this comprehensive OBD2. For the past 6 months or so, we have been going out and videotaping repairs we've helped technicians make in the shop. They called us because they've already made a first attempt that was not successful. So why we're doing this is these are good techs that we frequently work with and we trust. When they have a problem, we assume that most other good techs would have a problem with them too. Some of these codes, the standard descriptions of what causes them is not enough to fix them and causes the diagnostic time to be much longer than it should be. We're going to try to show you ways to avoid some of these pitfalls of long diagnostic times and take some of the most troublesome problems we've found that's repeated time and time again and share them with you in this video. We're going to show you what we did, how we did it, and the results of what we did and how we fixed it. And as we go along, we'll be sharing more of these with you in other videos. Let's take the time to go look at our information system because that's the place we start in shortening diagnostic time.